For this process, Panasonic highly recommends to contact a certified technician. In the cloud adapter, you may find all the necessary to make your Smart Cloud hardware connections. With the help of a flathead screwdriver, lever up the cover by inserting it into the slot located on the top of the unit. Connect the CN-CNT cable to the connector inside. Make sure to be careful of sense of the cable. Pull the cable through the hole in the bottom of the unit. Don't forget to attach the cord clamp into the cable to impede external forces acting to the adapter unit. Attach the unit near the indoor heating and cooling system. Before doing the next step, make sure your heating and cooling unit is not plugged into the power supply system. Remove the front panel of the heating and cooling system. Then connect the cable on the circuit board. Once your system is plugged again into the power supply, the power LED green light will turn on. Now, the cloud unit is ready to connect to a LAN or wireless network.
Panasonic.